How are you able to do that? Like he drew the real world example of, hey, if you have a loan in ICICI Bank and if you have a loan in HDFC, how are you able to port it? Why are you not able to do it in traditional finance, and why are you able to do it in the world of crypto?
Yeah. So I mean, in traditional finance, HDFC have their own system set up. Their APIs are not open-ended, and they don't want anyone to move their loan. And same goes for ICICI. So there is like everything is on different system, and they are owned centralized in a centralized way. But in the blockchain, in Ethereum blockchain, every protocol is deployed on one blockchain. They're following one same pattern using Solidity language, and they can't stop anyone from using them in any way they want. So they can't restrict us specifically. Like if they restrict, then they will have to restrict all the developers building on top of them. Or if they've kept it open, then all the developers have equal access.
No, but how are you able
So
to transfer loans?
so basically, what we did is we kept some amount of liquidity. Which do you know the concept of flash loan?
I can guess what it is, but please explain it to me.
Yeah. So flash loan is a liquidity which you can use in a single transaction. As long as you return it back, the transaction won't fetch. So let's say if you want to move a loan of $10 million, so you borrowed a flash loan of $10 million, you paid the user debt on one protocol, withdraw his collateral, deposit the collateral into different protocol, borrow 10 million debt, and return it to the flash loan. So flash loan is this ideal liquidity that you can use, and maybe you'll have to pay fees to borrow a flash loan, or maybe it can be free. But
It's a tool to
yeah,
transfer your loans, basically. Got it. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, got it. Hence the term flash loan. Okay, understood.
I mean, it's pretty ingenious, right? Where
Yeah.
you can take a loan instantaneously, and if you
Yeah,
return
and-
it in the same block, you don't need any collateral.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's pretty cool.
yeah.
Okay, so how does InstaDapp use flash loans? Like you were explaining how you can transfer loans. Right? Okay, so there's something called flash loans. So what did you do with this?
Oh, so we provide all kinds of financial activities. Let's say collateral swap, debt swap. If you want to go long on your Ethereum, or if you want to go short on a crypto, we use flash loan to get excessive capital, and so we don't have to repeat the transaction. So let's say if you want to move your collateral from Ethereum to Wrap BTC, Wrap Bitcoin on Ethereum blockchain. So if you want to move your loan, then you'll have to swap your Ethereum collateral into Wrap BTC. But if you want to swap the collateral, you can't withdraw the collateral because you have debt against it. So what you can do is you can borrow flash loan, you can swap the flash loan into Wrap BTC, and then you can withdraw your Ethereum and pay back the Ethereum. So you can just access different liquidity. You can do all the kinds of stuff with that liquidity. You just have to return the same amount of token and the same liquidity back to the flash loan.
It's like, Tanmay, if you went to a bank, if you went to HDFC
Yeah.
Bank and said, "Mere ko ek 10 lakh ka give me a loan," I'll return it to you in 1 minute from now, in 60 seconds. And then you run to the other bank opposite, pay off a previous loan, take a new loan from there, and then return it within 60 seconds.
It's
That's the
crazy.
transaction.
That's what I.
Yeah,
it's
it's
insane.
atomic.
It's
It's
insane.
atomic.
In traditional finance, it's quite not possible because you have to do a lot of paperwork.
This is 11
and
days.
coordinate-
It's 11 days.
Yeah.
What you just said.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
11 days. And also, like, if you see other protocols like Uniswap and all those things, like, it will just disrupt the entire system. Like, just like, do you know about TransferWise? Which
Yeah.
helps you transfer money from one country to another.
Yeah, this I know.
Like, it takes a lot of days. They take huge amount of fees. But with protocols, it's like you can do it with 0.05% fees, and you can transfer from any currency. Like, it will evolve in such a way. Like, people say like how traditional finance will use it. Although I say like traditional finance won't probably use it because it's disrupting
It's
them.
disrupting them.
It's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
yeah, it's going to evolve in itself, and then the traditional finance will go out of the field.